Okay, so it's not just I'm using ChatGPT. I have so many resources and I'm combining all of these notes on it. It's also made by AI, but you can't even imagine that how many resources I put in one. So all we're gonna do it's starting or all concepts, and I'm going to explain it to myself. And if you want the roadmap or maybe the thing that will help you to learn faster and effective ways for preparing big tech companies, that will be helpful for you. Like here is the basic thing: C++ concepts and feature full breakdown. First we have core language feature. C++ was built to be low level enough to talk with hardware, but high level enough to model humans thinking, and strong typing core types. C++ doesn't get you must define type int float char bool wchar. It's a new thing, and prevents bugs and enforces control. Also give exact control over memory and behavior. Constant liberals makes code softer and cleaner. Initializes flexibility in how you give data to variable. Operators toolbox logic like plus, minus, into, and this bitwise hex. Okay, so you can overload them in class flexible AF. I don't know why that's writing. It's like rep. So power in control flow it's power in if switch for while. And maybe you already addicted to it, but yeah, see that. C++ add ranged best for and even go to for age use cases. Functions is equal to C++ brain units. Modular logic reusable blocks can pass by value, reference, or pointer. Overloading is equal to same name, different power. Inline rigorous function. Pointers control plus performance. Memory management real-time power. Pointers give raw memory control. Arrays and pointers arithmetic go deep. New delete for dynamic memory. You manage the heap. Object-oriented programming. It's a most useful on it. Class and object. Classic is a blueprint. Okay, object is a real thing. Combining data and logic in one unit. Encapsulation is also important. Is in use. We are going to cover it later. Private, public, protected. Yeah, it's encapsulation. Hide, international, expose only what's indeed cleaner. API safer system. Okay, inheritance code reuse and hierarchy model. Multiple inheritance allowed. Virtual base class fix ambiguity. Polymorphism static. Compile time overloading. Dynamic runtime virtual function. Base class pointer. Driven class method. Standards library. HTL. C++ standards library. Input output CNC out CER. It's a new thing. I don't know about it, and I'll learn it later right in next video. String class, flexible string handle, HTL standards template library. This C++ machine gun encoding for containers, vector, map, set, stock, etc. I mean, there's lots of things we were learning, old things, and in market comes new. Also, algorithm sort, find, assimilate, etc. Templates, generic power, write code for any type without repeating function. Templates, class template, concept C++ 20, enforce rule and templates tool and flow work. IDEs, VS Code, CLN, Visual Studio. I'm going to use IDE, VS Code, and we'll install it. GCC, clone, MCVC. I'm going to use GCC, and that code is C.cpp compile to .o, link it to exe, make file or cmake. It's a process where code will run, execute, and make exe file, and after that we will run exe file, and we will get uh, our output headers file. Others critical features: namespace, expectation, comments, memory model, design philosophy, summary, takeaway, and so many things is here.